Everyone says saving money is the key to getting rich. But what if that's only half the story? Meet Jimmy. Every month, he saves $500. Month after month. Year after year. 5 years later. Then something unexpected happens. Inflation quietly reduces what his money can buy. Now meet another Jimmy. He also saves $500 every month. But instead of letting it sit, he invests it. 5 years pass. And Jimmy A feels proud of his growing savings. But something invisible has been working against him the entire time. Every year, prices quietly rise, which means your money buys less than it used to. Your bank balance stayed the same, but your purchasing power didn't. Now look at Jimmy B. Instead of letting his money sleep, he put it to work. His investments kept growing while he slept, worked, and lived his life. That's the power of compound growth. Saving protects your money. Investing helps it grow. The smartest financial plans do both. Now, don't get me wrong. Saving money is incredibly important. Your emergency fund can protect you when life throws unexpected surprises. But once your emergency fund is ready, your extra money should have a job. Think of every dollar as a tiny employee working for you. The more employees you have, the harder your money works. Eventually, your money starts making more money. That's when wealth starts accelerating. This is called compound growth, and it's one of the most powerful forces in finance. The earlier you start, the harder time works for you. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. Maybe you're thinking, I don't earn enough money to invest. But that's one of the biggest myths about investing. Most successful investors didn't start with thousands of dollars. They started small and stayed consistent. Small amounts invested consistently can become surprisingly powerful over time. Another common fear is investing is too risky. Every investment carries risk, but doing nothing has risks too. The goal isn't to avoid all risk, it's to make informed decisions. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. The more you learn, the more confident your financial decisions become. So, where should you begin? Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Step 2. Invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Step 3. Keep learning. You don't need perfect timing. You need consistent action. Small actions repeated over many years create extraordinary results. Building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart decisions consistently. Remember, your future wealth is built by the choices you make today. And the best time to begin is now. Let's go back to our two Jimmys one last time. One only saved. The other saved and invested. Both worked hard, but only one gave his money the chance to work, too. That's the difference between simply saving and building wealth. Remember, every wealthy investor started with a first step. Your future doesn't change overnight. It changes through the small decisions you make every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe and keep building wealth with me. Because this is just the beginning. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building your future. This is Wealth with Jimmy.